So, hello defense aspirant, Jai Hind to all. Today we are back with a new video, and in this video we are covering 10 amazing facts about the Indian Army. I make sure that this will fill your heart with a pride and respect. So, let's get started with a Josh. With a little introduction, I wanted to convey a message that we, the citizens of India, we are enjoying our life without worrying about the security is a special thanks to our armed forces and paramilitary forces for protecting our nation at borders. They are continuously they are fighting terrorism, illegal immigration. They have risk in their life. One of the This is one of the profession which they have risk in their life. Every second they have risk. Even though they are on the guard duty, night or day, everything comes hail or storm. They are rigid to their duties, protecting our nation. This is the mindset of every Fauji. So the question comes that how well we know about our army, and if we can't do anything to make their life better, at least we can respect and salute them for all their might. So a big salute to Indian Armed Forces. The more we know about army, their lives, how they are dealing with the unavoidable circumstances, the more pride we will have for them in our heart. So, starting with the facts, the first fact is the Indian Army controls the highest battlefield in the world and the Siachen Glacier. We all know about the Siachen Glacier, which is 5,000 meters above the sea level. It is the highest battlefield, and Indian Army is controlling it. So, this will give us immense pride for this nation. The second fact is the Indian Army has the biggest voluntary military force in the world. The third one is the Ballet Bridge, the highest altitude bridge in this world, is built by the Indian Army. So actually, I am talking about the bridge which is built by the armed forces. So Indian Army is one of the first in the world to build the highest altitude bridge in this world. The fourth one, we also have Horse Cavalry Regiment, one of the last three remaining in the world. The fifth one is that the Indian Army has never initiated the first attack or engaged in a military coup to gain power or govern a nation. They have their vision, never ever the first attack. And अगर कोई nation first attack करता है, then after that they have the vision that वो बच के नहीं जाना चाहिए. The sixth one is the Indian Army ranks fourth in the list of global firepower. That is for the art. Basically, the perspective is about the artillery fire. We are ranked fourth in the list, next only to the USA, Russia, and China. The seventh fact is that we have Agni and Prithvi. These are the two most accurate nuclear capable ballistic missiles in the world in their respective categories. The eighth one is as the part of Operation Rahat, the Indian Army evacuated many people from the massive flood in Uttarakhand. It is one of the biggest civilian rescue operation ever carried out in the world. Talking about the ninth one, the Indian Army High Altitude Warfare School is considered one of the most allied training centers in the world. The last one, we have the outstation base in Tajikistan also, in which we have various types of joint military operations and drills. So this is the end of this video. Thank you all for watching this video. Make sure you will like this video, subscribe the channel and share it to your other guys who are really want to join the defense. Basically, this is the ladder of success, and this is the defense aspirant. Continuously, we will working to reach the top of the ladder is to serve our nation, and I'll make sure you all will serve the nation with pride. Thank you so much.